Good morning class. Today we are going to see what is principle of duality. So now what is duality principle? So this duality principle states that if we have postulate of Boolean algebra for one type of operation, then that operation can be converted into another type of operation. So let's see what is it. For example, if we have an operation, this is OR operation, then this OR operation can be converted into AND operation. If we have AND type of operation, that can be converted into OR type of operation. Similarly, if we have an expression, or if we have an operation having zero value, that can be converted into 1, and if we have 1 value, then it can be converted into 0. So collectively what we have to do within principle of duality, we have to change all within an expression, we have to change all OR with AND vice versa, that is AND with OR. Similarly, 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So let's see the example. For example, if we have simple OR operation 1 plus 0, as you all know that simple, this is a Boolean identity law where 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, that is 1 or 0 is equals to 1. We already discussed. Now apply principle of duality, change 1 with 0, plus with dot, 0 with 1, and again 1 with 0. See, this is 0 and 1, that is equals to 0. So simple, with the help of principle of duality, you can get the another form of given Boolean expressions by replacing these values. So we have to change plus with AND, dot with plus, 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So it's very simple. Let's see the another example. So if we have an expression a plus b is equal a, this is absorption law. So now apply the principle of duality. A, this is AND plus, change dot with plus, and a, this plus with dot, b is equal a. This is also absorption second law. So the law becomes a plus ab is equal a. So with the help of this principle of duality, we can get the another form of the given Boolean expression, and this principle ensures if a theorem is proved using postulates of Boolean algebra, then the dual of the given theorem automatically holds, and we need not to prove it again separately. So let's see the another example. De Morgan's law. If we have a De Morgan's law, that De Morgan's law states that break the line, change the sign. A plus b ka whole naught is equal a naught into b naught. So apply principle of duality, change this plus with AND. A into b ka whole naught is equal a naught. Now change this AND, this OR with this AND with OR. So see, this is principle, this is De Morgan's first law and this is De Morgan's second law. So with the help of principle of duality, so we can get the another form of the given expression, and the given expression also holds the same theorem, or we do not need to prove it after converting or after getting the another dual phase of the given expression. So it's very simple, and this particular, with the help of this particular law, we can change our given expression to the other type of or other phase of the given postulate or the given operations. So thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy at home. Thank you.